I want to talk to you about linking and unlinking the video from the audio of your clips that are in the timeline. Now, by default, Premiere Pro wants to keep the audio and video together, so if I selected this clip and I grabbed it and moved it somewhere, the audio and video won't go out of sync. Or if I extended the clip, the audio and the video would again stay together. Let me go ahead and undo that a couple of times, which, if you recall, is Command-Z or Control-Z if you're on Windows. And I'm going to show you some real-world reasons why you may want to break those clips apart. Now, here we have a cutaway which worked to our advantage that the audio stayed with the video because it enhances the shot. I did that.
There you go. You totally did this.
This pizza smells amazing. So in that case, when I'm on the close-up, it's really good to hear the sound of the pizza pan hitting the counter and the sound of the oven closing. But the next time I went to a cutaway, the audio wasn't quite as cooperative. Entertain children with this?
Completely.
Okay. It completely overpowers the original audio. As a matter of fact, it was a DSLR camera, and that was just the camera mic. So I want to delete this audio, and I could have brought it in with just the video, but a lot of times you'll be editing, and you'll look back and you'll realize, I should have, I could have, if only. Well, you don't want to have to re-edit. You just want to be able to select the audio and delete it. Well, if I try to select the audio, it also selects the video because these two clips are linked together. So I need to isolate the video from the audio. I can do that by right-clicking on the clip and selecting Unlink. And this will actually break the relationship between the video and the audio. Now, you want to be careful when you unlink a clip because if it's not something you're going to delete immediately, if I move this audio clip just a little bit, now that they're not linked together, I will actually have my video and my audio go out of sync. So it's not quite hitting on the right point. But what I really want to do is just delete that audio completely. So once I have them unlinked, I can select the audio, press the delete key, and it goes away. Okay. Now you can do the same thing if you bring in a piece of media where you just want the audio, maybe it's a voiceover recording, and you really don't need the video. You could again unlink them and then select the video and delete it. Now I want to show you a really cool shortcut if you don't want to right-click and select unlink and go through all the steps. As a matter of fact, let's say I wanted to stretch out the video here, but not the audio. So if you notice, they actually happen at the same time. Well, if I unlink them, life is good. I can select the video and the audio separately and create the split edit that I want. But here's the challenge. I've unlinked them, and now they are permanently unlinked and can go out of sync unless I reselect both of them, right-click and link, or I can link them also in the drop-down menu underneath Clip. There we go, Link. And now they're together again. But most of the time, I forget to relink them. So this is the trick. If I ever want to temporarily break a link, all I need to do is hold down the Option key before I select a clip, and I can select just the video or just the audio. So let's say I wanted to stretch out the video of this clip and not the audio. Well, they're linked right now. I can simply hold down the Option key, select the track that I want to work with. As soon as I let go of the Option key, they're linked again. So holding down the Option key allows you to temporarily unlink video from audio and either delete it or extend one part and not the other. And you'll never have to worry about going back up into the drop-down menu or right-clicking to relink those clips again.